want to help you unlock your inner entrepreneur and start making money online. It's that simple. That's why AI Ninja exists. It's an entrepreneurial mastermind sanctuary where we do life together, where I'm going to give you all the right tools, a supportive peer-based group unlike anything you've ever seen, and a 3-phase plan so you'll never get lost and you can take your ideas, get them in market fast because we're leveraging AI. So what happens when you join this mastermind? Well, first and foremost, you're going to sit down with me one-on-one, and I'm going to learn all about your goals, your dreams, your mindset, your skill set, and I'm going to get you into the first phase of our 3-phase plan, and that's the alignment and clarity phase, where number one, I'm going to give you a large language model primer where you quickly learn AI basics for brainstorming and content creation, and that's what we're actually going to do. We're going to brainstorm a niche using AI that's personal to you, and we're going to select your business ideas and make sure they're aligned with your passions, your skill sets, and your goals. The outcome, you got a solid AI foundation that you're going to take for the rest of your life, and alignment and clarity around your business idea so that you can see how you can actually start building a business and start making money. It'll start to seem real at this point. Then I get you into phase 2 where we get the market-ready mastery phase where we actually create and refine your digital products, all using AI to help us along the way. And we're going to build an online presence for you, a professional online presence with a website, with a funnel, and lead capture tools. So the outcome is you got a market-ready product and or products and a professional online platform. You're ready to start making money. And then it goes in the 3rd phase, launch and grow, where we market your brand using AI-driven strategies to launch and market your brand effectively. And ultimately building your own community, cultivating a loyal network of followers and customers that are paying you for your products, your knowledge, your expertise, and now you're really making money. The outcome, successfully launch your brand and have strategies for long-term growth, time and economic freedom. That's what it's all about. Join AI Ninja to create your own thriving community and achieve success by leveraging AI. There's no other community like this out here. Click the link to learn more or DM me if you're interested.